Utilize definition, utilize in a sentence, utilize pronunciation, utilize meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of utilize. Utilize. U-di-lize. Utilize. Utilize as a verb means to make practical use of. Common usages in academic writing: to utilize the new tool, to utilize the equipment, effectively utilized. Example sentence: utilize verb. DDR5 modules utilize onboard power management integrated circuits. The common academic writing variation is utilization, noun. There was major public support for the capture and utilization of solar energy. Please write a sentence using utilize in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of utilize, the meaning of utilize, and utilize example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.